All of you open your workbooks, page number 33. Today we are going to discuss about the workbook work of unit number 9, heat, light and sound. At the top you have to write date here, that is 15th December. Write completely 15th December, comma 2020. Classwork. Then on the right side you have to write day. Today is Tuesday with the pen. Okay, let's start. Choose the correct words in the following sentences. The most common way to heat a solid is dash. Conduction, convection or radiation. Which one is the most or the best common way to heat a solid? Maheen, answer this.
Yes, miss.
Answer this. Multiple choice. The most common way
Miss,
to heat a solid is?
Convection.
No, conduction beta. Convection is for gases and liquids. Conduction is for solids. So the answer is conduction. You have to underline this answer. Next, it is dash on a top bunk bed, then on a bottom bunk bed because of convection heated. Because of
Miss,
convection
hotter.
heating, which one is the correct answer?
Hotter.
Okay, yes, it's a correct answer. Only those are going to answer whom I am asking. Okay, keep your mic closed. The answer is hotter. Next is the biggest source of radioactive heat is the Haram, answer this. The biggest source of radioactive heat is the how we can get
Sun.
the yes, good Haram. Answer is sun. Underline sun. Conduction number 4. Conduction heating occurs because of moving dash molecules, flames, vibrations. Conduction heating occurs because of moving. Anasha, answer this.
Molecules.
Conduction, not beta, vibrations. Because solid vibrates, solid is a matter, is a state of matter. When solids vibrates, conduction of heating takes place. Conduction is a way of heating. So conduction heating takes place in a solids when they vibrate. Answer is vibration. Next is when light waves bounce off objects, it is called Amna. Answer this. When light waves bounce off objects, it is called Amna, answer this. Reflection.
Reflection is
Yes, answer is reflection. Underline this answer, reflection. Next, diffuse reflection can occur when light hits surfaces that are dash. Diffuse reflection is a type of reflection. There are regular reflection and diffuse reflection. When diffuse reflection can occur when light hits surface that are dash. Hanan, answer this. Zaira, you answer this, beta.
Miss, moving.
Yes, the answer is moving. Good, Zaira. Good. Next, all of you underline these answers as I am underlining. Next is Refraction occurs when light dash. Refraction is another way of light traveling. What happens when refraction occurs? Usman, answer this.
Bends.
Yes, excellent, Usman. The answer is bends. When the light bends, refraction occurs. Good, Usman. Next is when light hits a convex mirror or lenses, the image appears larger, smaller, rounder than the object. Which one is the correct answer? Sameer, answer this. When light hits a convex mirror or lens, the image appears will be smaller, larger or rounder than the object. What do you think? Ayan, can you answer this?
Miss. Larger.
No, beta, it will be smaller. In a convex lens, it will be smaller. So all of you underline answer that is smaller. Ninth sentence is sound waves travel faster, deeper, slower in cold water than in warm water. So what do you think? Sound waves travel faster or deeper or slower in cold water than in warm water? Abdul Rahman, can you answer this?
Yes, sir. इसका sir.
What
Faster.
is? No, beta. Sound waves travel slower in cold water than in warm water. Okay? The speed of the sound waves is faster in warm water and slower in cold water. So the correct answer is slower. Underline the slower. Last is dolphins and bats use dash to judge where objects are. Dolphins and bats use refraction, echolocation, molecules. Which one is the correct answer, Shahriyar? Answer this question, beta.
Yes, miss.
Dolphins and bats uses dash to judge where objects are. Options are refraction, echolocation, and the molecules. Which one is the?
Echolocation.
Yes, echolocation is the correct answer because they cannot see. They judge the objects by echolocation. Good. Next, here you can see after the multiple choice question, here you can see some diagrams. As I told you, the incident light when hit the smooth surface, it will reflect it back with the same angle. So what you have to do with this, you have to make a correct angles. First, draw the straight line, the normal with this surface. Draw perpendicular with this surface. Draw straight line with this surface. Then identify which angle is this. Make a same angle for reflected light. You can use the D to calculate the exact angle, or you can just simply judge by your eyes that how you can make an exact reflected light. Here you have to draw the normal again and make a reflected light in this way. Because the angle of the incident light and the angle of the reflected light are always same when there is a smooth surface. And here you have to draw angle of reflected light like this. First you have to draw normal. The normal is basically a line that is perpendicular to the surface. So angle of this incident light and the reflected light will always be same. So you can also use the D to calculate the exact angle, or you just can identify by your vision that how you can make the similar angle. Next, I'm going to describe you this experiment. You have to perform this experiment and make an experimental video while you are showing that what you are doing in this experiment. So what you have to do, you have to take a cup of hot water. Do not take boiling water, that boiling water will hurt you. In the presence of your adults or parents, take a cup of hot water. You have to take the spoons of different materials. For example, you can take the spoon which is made up of plastic, spoon which is made up of metal, spoon which is made of wood, and spoon which is made up of ceramic or any porcelain. Take spoon of different materials, place all these spoons in a cup of hot water. After some time, you have to observe that which spoon conduct the high heat. How you can check it out? If you are touching the spoon, if you touch the spoon, you can feel that which spoon is more hotter. By this observation, you have to note down that the spoon of plastic is less hotter than the spoon of metal, or the spoon of wood do not conduct much heat. So in this way, you have to perform this experiment. You have to touch all the spoons and observe that which spoon is more hotter, which spoon is conducting more heat. This is basically a transfer of heat by conduction.